here at the MSCIAA Bowling Championship, and we had East versus Central, and then we had Melrose versus Middle College. It's been a very exciting year. Each year that we notice more and more fans coming out to the center, more and more kids starting to participate. I'm just excited that we're able to deliver hopefully a quality experience for the children and the fans, and also the coaches.
Feels real good. I've been bowling with Middle College since my 10th grade year, and I'm really proud of how far the team has come.
Well, we are so excited. I am so grateful and thankful for this team. They are wonderful. They have done a wonderful job. They came out and they did their thing, and I'm so proud of them.
This was the most nerve-wracking moment of my life. I felt very confident coming in because this was a team that we had already faced and we beat, and it came down to the last Baker game the first time we played them.
When I first started, I was kind of bad because I wanted to do it good, but then I came back on the second individual round.
At the end of the day, you got to knock down pins. Don't try and do things you're not capable of doing. Just focus and knock down pins. And this game came down to who knocked down the most pins.